Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Leki,
And I'm Aarvi.
and we are putting together a vlog. So, behind us we have a whiteboard, and it's just going to give us a bit of a pointer in the conversation. So, bear with us because we're all new to it. We're just going to give it a go.
Yeah, so why are we doing it? It's just pretty simple. Get to know us, really. Get to know a bit more about myself, Leki. We're just trying to put ourselves out there and give you some tips that we're learning, some stuff we see every day, and give it to you for free. Why pay to come see us, and when you can get some info for free, then you'll like us even more and see us, give us more benefit to you.
Awesome. So, let me just go through a little bit of why we're doing this. And a lot of it, like Aarvi just said, is a lot of the conversations that we have in the clinic, we find ourselves repeating ourselves quite a bit. So I think this is a really good medium to not only get to know us, the way that we talk, our mannerisms, that sort of thing. We're pretty friendly guys. But on top of that, it's addressing some questions that everyday people ask, and don't feel like they're silly questions. But for us, because we hear them all the time, it's kind of like normal for us to hear, but it's really valuable information. So I guess this is another way for us to deliver content to you guys that's really valuable, and I hope you guys see the value in that too. So I guess the format here is Aarvi and I are going to be committing to a weekly chat. It may range from 10-minute conversations here in the clinic. It could be a half an hour chat in the gym. It could be on the beach somewhere. So we are starting small, and then whatever it could be, may be. So we're pretty excited with that sort of thing. We also are looking to have themes. So there's 4 different themes, and that way it can give us an idea of the discussion for each of these weekly chats.
Yeah, so go a bit more into detail with the themes we're going to be doing. So theme 1 will be Q&A. So we're just asking question and answers. So later down the track, we'll probably get questions from you guys, but at the moment, we'll probably just start off with questions that we hear every day from patients. No silly question like everyone says, and we'll just give out the answers to give you a bit more feedback and something you might pick up on the way. And then theme 2 will be the top 3. So top 3 of whatever will be something for each week. Like next one we'll do for top 3 will be who we follow the most on Instagram, who's our top 3 influencers, and yeah, then we'll just go more in detail into that and just have a bit of a yarn. And then do-it-yourself tips. That'll be another theme for the following week. So it's pretty much, we'll give you some tips that you can do at home, so you don't have to come see us. You just do some little stuff, and hopefully that can potentially injury manage or whatever the do-it-yourself tip is. And then the last one is a YN, yes, no, and putting us under the spotlight. So it'll be silly questions just to get to know us a bit more, and all we're going to do is get a paddle pop or something and just write yes, no, and it'll just a bit of banter and just to get to know us really a bit more.
Absolutely. So just on that, if we were to put it into percentages, right? So with this weekly vlog, we see this as 80% really high quality stuff, things that we go through every day. As you guys can see, we're pretty active online. We have regular blogs that we put up. Aarvi just released one this week. He spent $1,000, spent 3 days with some top level coaches, and we're going to be releasing that information out absolutely free. This guy, he paid $1,000 for it, and you guys can learn from that great experience and education. This medium that we can download and research information for free is a really good resource. Aarvi and I, we're passionate about trying to help people to stay outside of the clinic. You want to be outside enjoying yourself out in the sunshine, and this is another way that we can deliver really good information to you guys. So 80% of it is really good, say, health content, and then 20% is a bit of banter, lighthearted stuff, and we can see how it goes from there. So we do appreciate your support. Bear with us. We're obviously pretty nervous. We don't. No one ever likes hearing themselves on video or on Facebook or anything like that on social. So this is our very first episode, and the way that we're thinking of putting it together is like Game of Thrones, for example. So this is season 1, episode 1. We don't even have a name for the vlog or whatever.
Pilot.
Yeah, this episode is called Pilot, and I think that may be a future vlog as well. We can sort of figure out as we go what we want to call it, but we're just going to suck it and see. And we just wanted to spend some time describing what the weekly chat's going to look like, and it may evolve, it may not, but we're going to give it a good go.
Hopefully potentially get some good guests in. You never know how well it goes, but
yeah, absolutely. And that's the opportunity, so as we talk, for example, Aarvi was saying top 3, so we're going to share with you some influencers. Aarvi and I, we follow lots of people, and what's interesting is that we have different people that we follow, but we're pretty healthy looking roosters, but we have a different outlook on health. And just like you guys at home, you have your own ideas, and I think what's important is that Aarvi and I have an open mind. We're open to ideas. We're going to figure out what works for us, what maybe didn't work about it, and bring the information to you. And we'd love to hear from you too. What have you tried? Maybe the things that we gave you or things that you've heard of. And that's where we can have this conversation, together. So I think it's pretty exciting.
Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Good stuff coming up.
Absolutely. So this is episode 1 done. We don't have any outros or anything like that,
no.
But
we'll think of something.
Absolutely.
Yeah, give us a couple of weeks and we'll find something.
All right, so give us some love, if anything, out of sympathy. Like, share, subscribe, and we look forward to the next dance.
Yeah, that's it. This is probably my sign off for now.
All right, sweet. See you guys.